going to teach you how to read Korean alphabet. The Hangul. Okay? Yung ating Korean alphabet, meron tayong patinig at meron tayong isahang patinig, dalawahang patinig at meron tayong tinatawag na yung yan. Ito yung pyongyum at pyeongyum. Okay? Ayan. Ito po yung ating ya, ong. Ito naman po yung hilirang kyokyung. Yan. At ang ating pong pyongyum, ito ay ka, na, ta, la,